Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I installed this lace frontal wig, and if you are interested in watching this video, give it a thumbs up. So guys, if you are new to this channel, you're hearing this voice for the first time, you're seeing this face for the first time, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate you all. Let's just get into this video. So welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to be braiding down my hair. You need your hair to lay as flat as possible so that your wig can look natural. So the first step is to braid down your hair. I'm braiding down my own hair. If you cannot do this, someone can actually help you do this, but I'm braiding down my hair because I can braid my own hair. I uploaded a makeup video where I had this particular wig on, and I got a lot of requests asking me to show how I installed my wig, and that is why I am uploading this video right now. If you have not watched that video, is on my channel, and I will leave the link down below so that you can watch that makeup look that you just saw at the very first beginning. So and this installment is actually very easy and beginner friendly. So guys, I am done here. The next thing, I go in with my Do Grow hair anti-itch oil and I apply that on my scalp. And then I'm going to be using my Got2b glue and gel. I'm going to be using this Nairobi foam. I'm going to be using this GG. So now guys, I have to second step is to clean up with alcohol. You need to clean up your edges to remove any oil or anything. So now I am putting on my wig cap. And then after putting on your wig cap, you want to go ahead and spray the Got2b glue just to secure the edges. You have to go ahead and spray the Got2b glue on your hairline, just more like where the wig is supposed to be. So you just glue it down. I'm also going through to the back to spray that because I need that wig cap to be secured on my hair. And then after that, I'm going in with these scissors to cut off all the excess that I don't need. So first you need to cut the ear parts so that your wig cap can actually lay down properly, and then you will know where to cut, like you see where to cut. So this is it. I'm cutting out the ear parts so that your wig cap can actually lay in properly. You have to carefully do this so you don't cut off your ear. So you see me I go in with the Got2b glue again just to make sure that everything is secure and it's laid down before cutting off the excesses. And then I went ahead to cut off the excesses, and then I am adding my Got2b glue gel on my wig cap. And then after that I waited for it to dry a bit before I started applying my powder color. You want everything to blend in, you want it to look like your natural scalp. So I went on and applied my powder color. You get a powder or a foundation that is your shade and apply that on the wig cap so everything looks natural. As you can see, this is my old wig. I have had this wig ever since, so it's already pre-cut and already pre-cut and ready to use. More like customized for my own hair line and everything. So you need to cut your own hair, cut your own wig. It's just pretty easy. Even though I did not show it in this video, it's pretty easy. You just, after placing your wig on, you just need to follow the line of your hairline and then cut off the excesses. That is just what it is. Follow your hairline and cut off the remaining the excesses you have there. And then now you see me after placing it, after gluing down my wig, I now go in with that brush to just like blend everything in. I'm trying to press it down so that it can glue on properly, because after applying your wig you have to leave it for like 10 minutes or so to make it look, when it's like becoming tacky, that is when you just put on your glue. You glue down your wig so it stays strong. That wig needs to stay strong, sis. So after gluing down my wig, you can see me going in checking if everything is now okay, and everything is glued down perfectly, as you can see. So now all I'm doing is parting my hair. I want it to be in a center part form, so that is what I'm doing, parting my hair. So after parting my hair, I go in with this GG I apply that on my hair where I part the hairs to hold down any stray hairs. Like this GG is the bomb. This thing, GG, Gigi, whatever it's called, is the bomb. I use that, as you can see, it holds the stray hairs down, like makes your parting neat and makes your hair neat. So that's basically what I am doing, holding down the stray hairs so I don't have so many stray hairs or so many flyaways, It just holds all the hair down. And then I go ahead and comb it with a smaller comb to make everything look neat. So guys, the next thing is for you to bring out a small portion for your baby hair. Most people don't like doing the baby hair, and that's okay. If you don't like doing the baby hair, then you're good to go. You can just style your wig and then you're good to go. But if you like doing the baby hair, so then this is how you do it. Just bring out a small portion and make your baby hair. I am not really good at making the baby hair thing. I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. Normally I wouldn't really bother doing the baby hair thing. So now I'm going in with the Nairobi foam that I showed you guys in the beginning, the Nairobi foaming gel. So now I'm going down with that, and it makes your wig shine, it makes everything lay down properly, no flyaway hairs. It makes the wig extra, it makes the hair extra secure, So I'm just putting everything down, applying it all over. Look at the way my wig is coming out coily and all beautiful. That is the job of the Nairobi foaming mousse. Yeah, that's what it is, foaming mousse. I got that from Amazon. If you're wondering where you can get yours, everything that I used on this video, in this video, I got them all from Amazon, so you can check them out and get yours from Amazon. Also, Then I wrapped my hair around and I left it for like 10 minutes or more. You can do whatever you want to. And then that is what I am doing. Wrapping my hair down just to make sure that everything is well laid down. I just hate flyaways and all those things. I like my wig being in check, you know. So now I'm taking them out. Yeah, so I am taking them out now, and this is what it looks like. Oops. Okay, so excuse me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the actual look and the makeup that I have on my YouTube channel, so you can go down there and watch it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, like and share with your friends and family if you found this helpful. Guys, I am just so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next video. I post videos on Wednesdays and on Sundays. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Bye. Thank you.